Hey guys, I was looking at the British Museum Images website the other day when I saw this beautiful ring. I think the thing that really amazed me is that it was made over 1,000 years ago. I found it incredible that someone could have made such a thing of beauty way back then, and it inspired me to have a go at making my own. Borrowing a temporary screenshot, I used Fusion 360 and got sketching. If you think that looks like a stick with a little sandpaper glued to it, you're absolutely right. I haven't got any gold, so I thought I'd have another go at casting with silver. Not bad. No flashing this time. The wife's toothbrush really comes in handy here. You might be wondering why I haven't deoxidized the silver. Well, I wanted to try something different. Just a little careful sanding with very fine grade paper. Well, there you go. It's not perfect, but it's not bad. I'm actually pretty pleased with the effect and how it's turned out. It's fairly similar to the original, which makes me wonder if the Anglo Saxons had Fusion 360 back then. It really is amazing what you can do with a 3D printer and some castable resin. I hope you enjoyed this one, guys. Take care, and thanks for watching.